Capgras delusion is a rare and fascinating psychiatric disorder in which a person believes that their loved ones have been replaced by identical imposters. This delusion is named after Joseph Capgras, the French psychiatrist who first described the condition in 1923. People with Capgras delusion may be unable to recognize family members, friends, or even their own reflection. They are convinced that these people are not who they claim to be and can experience intense feelings of fear, anger, and distrust towards these imposters. Capgras delusion is considered a type of psychotic disorder, meaning that it affects a person's thoughts, emotions, and perceptions of reality. It is often associated with other mental health conditions, such as schizophrenia, depression, and dementia. However, it can also occur as a standalone condition, particularly in individuals with a history of brain injury or neurological problems. The exact causes of Capgras delusion are not well understood, but it is thought to be related to a dysfunction in the brain's facial recognition system. Normally, when we see someone we love, our brain activates the release of hormones, such as oxytocin, which contribute to feelings of bonding and attachment. In people with Capgras delusion, however, this process is disrupted, and the person may be unable to experience the same feelings of connection towards their loved ones. One theory is that the brain is unable to process the emotional and semantic components of facial recognition, leading to the belief that a familiar face has been replaced by an imposter. This theory is supported by the fact that people with Capgras delusion often struggle to recognize faces, even those of famous people or celebrities. Another theory suggests that the brain's ability to process information about the familiarity of faces is impaired, leading to a lack of recognition and the belief that a familiar face has been replaced. This theory is supported by imaging studies that have shown differences in the way the brains of people with Capgras delusion process information about faces compared to healthy individuals. The treatment of Capgras delusion is challenging, as there is no single, effective cure. In most cases, a combination of medication and therapy is used to manage the symptoms. Antipsychotic medications are often used to alleviate delusions and hallucinations, while cognitive behavioral therapy may be used to help the person understand and challenge their distorted beliefs. In some cases, the use of specialized therapies, such as eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, EMDR, may also be effective. This therapy uses a combination of eye movements, guided imagery, and mindfulness techniques to help individuals process and integrate traumatic memories. In severe cases of Capgras delusion, hospitalization may be necessary to ensure the safety and well-being of the individual and their loved ones. While in hospital, the person may receive intensive treatment and support, including medications, therapy, and rehabilitation. In conclusion, Capgras delusion is a fascinating and complex psychological disorder that affects a person's thoughts, emotions, and perceptions of reality. Despite the challenges of treatment, with the help of dedicated medical professionals, individuals with Capgras delusion can work towards a brighter future and regain a sense of normalcy in their relationships and daily lives. Despite its challenges, the study of Capgras delusion provides insight into the complex workings of the human brain and our ability to recognize and connect with others. As research continues, we may be able to develop more effective treatments and improve the lives of those affected by this intriguing condition.